Hello friends, how are you? So I already washed my face with my Lumispa, and I want to show you guys how you can tighten your neck and your décolleté with the Lumi. Because I'm going to tell you, as you start to age or even gain weight, this area starts to like sag. You start getting a chicken neck, right? And also a lot of us, we look down at our phones a lot. And what happens when we look down at our phones? We get this little saggy thing here, which I hate. I can't stand that. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing to tighten this area, other than trying to lose weight and exercise and all that good stuff. An additional help that helps tighten this, lift, and it gives you great results. I'm going to be using my Lumispa. I already did my face, so I'm only going to be focusing on the neck area. And oh my god, I don't want to wear my shirt, but I'm just gonna lightly dampen my neck. Okay, and what's nice about this also massages the lymph nodes, and that's really healthy for you. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go Google it. So I'm gonna put some of the soap on there very lightly, and since I'm doing my neck, I'm not doing a big area. I'm just going to move the soap around first, right? And you always want to go upwards on the neck. Always. So what I like to do is first follow the jawline. And going behind the ear. And this will give you more definition around the jaw. It'll tighten the skin. You don't want to press down too hard. You're just gliding. Because as we age, you know, that skin there gets really saggy. And then it indicates when to move to the next side. So first, and I go right behind the ear, like kind of like I'm lifting that skin up for a more defined jawline. You can even go on top, but I just did my face. So I'm only focusing on the bottom. And it feels great. And it indicates when to change. And then what I do is I like to go up very gently. So though it is a cleansing device, because it is massaging, it's great for tightening and firming the skin. And the neck is the first place a woman starts to show signs of aging. So you want to make sure you take care of it. And then you could go under here and start lifting back. You don't want to pull, you just lightly letting the machine do the work for you. And do the other side. And you're pretty much done. Your neck is lifted and massaged. And the more you take care of it, the more you massage it. It's the same thing with your face and your skin and your teeth and everything else. You'll get a nice, tighter, firmer neck. And of course, this alone, this helps. But this alone, of course, weight loss helps. Not rapid weight loss, because I've seen people with rapid weight loss and they'll get the chicken neck right away. So you want to make sure you're doing nice, healthy, gradual weight loss. You want to make sure that when you're looking at your phone, you're not always looking down, because that is another thing that causes double chin. Okay, so try to get into the habit of looking at your phone like a queen, like this. Okay, don't be like this, like a servant, like this. Because you are all queens, okay? A lot of times we look down at our phone, and that's how that neck starts to build. And then we're in bed like this. I'm about to make the face, right? And that double chin starts to flab. We don't want that. So you want to make sure that you're looking at your phone. Hey, Megan, how are you? Thank you, boo. Yes, I'm telling you, the neck, super important. You know, I do my face every night, okay? And I don't do it in the morning. I use my Lumispa in the nighttime. And then in the morning, I just rinse with water and hydrate as, you know, usual. Because I don't want to do it twice a day. I don't think my skin needs it. Everybody's skin is different. But I never skip the neck. The neck is the first place we show aging. And I'm telling you, ladies, take care of your, don't just put lotion here. Put lotion on your neck. Put lotion on your chest. Put lotion between your breasts. And you know, I'm not trying to sound funny, but really put it between your breasts, because that is another area where we show signs of aging. When we want to show a little cleavage and then we see some wrinkles there, it's because we're not hydrating that area enough. Matter of fact, just lotion your whole body as much as you can. But if you can't, at least hydrate and moisturize the between the breast, the décolleté, and the neck area. Right now I just did my neck, but what's cool about this device is that I could take it in the shower and I can really go in on a full massage. I don't use this on my whole body, but I use it over here on my neck. And a lot of times I'll do another session and just kind of pull it all the way behind. And I wasn't doing that before. The person who had told me about doing the neck and massaging the lymph nodes, and she's on here, I think her name is Ellie, and she is the one who told me about it. And ever since I've been doing that, I've noticed a huge difference in the firmness and the tightness of the skin of my neck. Okay, so, and the fact that you're massaging the lymph nodes. What I notice about after you massage your lymph nodes, that's right here and here. We have a couple of areas, but we have right here in the neck, right here. Once you release the toxins, it does bring down the puffiness in your neck. So if you don't have this device, what I do recommend you do every night, if you're looking to tighten this area, is to give yourself a little hand massage with your fingers, also in this area like this as well, and kind of drain your lymph nodes. It'll also tighten up your skin. Another trick you can do if you don't have the device is to massage your neck in an upward motion like this. Okay, always up, never down. Up, 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 up. Come behind the ears. Don't drag, just let the lotion work and glide. And then you take these two fingers and you go like this. Okay, and you massage while you're putting your lotion on in the morning. You massage your face, and you keep doing that with your fingers very lightly. You don't have that machine. That's another way you can tighten up your jaw and this the skin under here. My mother, back in the day, I seen my mother do this, and she used to do this. I'm gonna look so crazy right now. She used to do this exercise with her face, taking the lower lip above the top lip, going right. Some people say your face could get stuck like that. That's what my grandmother used to say. But you can also, this one works really, really well. Kiss towards the ceiling. Do a kiss going up, but make sure you're looking straight up, and you kiss towards the ceiling. Do that about 20 times. That's also good for the neck. Because, you know, listen, gravity, there's no fighting gravity. But the most we can do is at least slow it down a little bit, right? We can slow it all down. Hey, Belinda, how are you? This is what I do on my Saturday nights, guys. My Saturday nights used to be filled with going out and drinks and friends, and I am totally content right now with my Saturday night. I had a movie time with my family. I made a little box Barbie house for my daughter, and now I'm spending some time with you, pampering myself, giving you some tips and tricks on how to tighten your jawline and, you know, stay looking fly, stay looking young and youthful and feeling amazing. So I hope you like my tips, but if you don't have the device, do those exercises I showed you as well. But if you do have this device, it really does the work for you. and it's gonna improve your skin in so many different ways. I love my Lumispa. It really, really changed my skin big time. I have no makeup on right now. This is no makeup. I got a little blemish. You see that blemish right there? You want to know what happened? I was doing so good, right? I've been doing keto, and then on Friday my job had a little training and they had toffee chocolates. Now I love toffee. Like, if I was to say any candy in the world, toffee is like, not taffy, toffee is like, toffee is my weakness. All right, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna have one. I can afford to do it. You know, I ate good all day. I'm not gonna. And that one said hello. So this is what happens to me when I veer off and have some candy or chocolate or toffee. Okay, but I'm not worried about that because that's gonna be cleared and gone by Monday. Either way, this device really, really helps with the skin big time. Sounds like an amazing night. Aw, thank you, Belinda. It has been an amazing night. You know, any night and time alive, we have to be grateful no matter what at the end of the day. So I'm gonna end it there. I hope you guys like my tips on how to tighten that jawline. Or you could do this. This is old school. I don't see myself doing this. I prefer this one, this, and when I put my lotion, upward motion. But my number one go-to to massage my neck and tighten the neck on the skin line and the skin and the jawline is the Lumispa. It's an amazing device. And Christmas is coming. I know most of you already have your Christmas gifts, and I'm sure people already have their Christmas gifts for you. Ah, my light. But just know this, still available. We have it on sale. So if you want to get yourself a Christmas gift, this may be the way to go. So I'm gonna end it there, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me for a little while. God bless, and be good to each other always.